Hi, my name is Christian Ofodile. These are my teammates, William Jarrett, John Douthit, and Cameron Dennis. And our project is the TI Innovator Hub Data Acquisition Tool project. We are working on it with Texas Instruments, and our mentor is Mark Easley. So the TI Innovator Hub is a product that Texas Instrument currently makes. So they already have that product. And what they wanted us to do is to add the data acquisition properties. So we're concerned with data acquisition of electrical signals. So we want a multimeter, logic analyzer, function generator, and an oscilloscope. And just to kind of describe those a bit is basically you could use those to measure a voltage or an electrical signal, or for the function generator, you could use that to generate an electrical signal. So our objective is to create these modules that you can connect to the TI Innovator Hub, which is this item right here. And we create these modules, you can connect them directly to it, and that will add the data acquisition properties that we are looking for. The problem we're trying to solve is we want portable instrumentation for data acquisition of electrical signals, pretty much. And we want them to be small enough so that students can take them in a backpack, put them in a box, take them home, bring them to class and whatnot, and they can use it to perform some data acquisition to acquire electrical signals or generate electrical signals. Due to the pandemic, it's been highlighted that portable instrumentation has its uses. Students can work from home. Students who are in electrical engineering or students in high school who are interested in electrical engineering can have these devices and use them at home to complete assignments or work on projects. I was working on hardware, so assembly was kind of tough. We had some really small parts. Trying to assemble that, trying to solder that was extremely difficult. We had to use a stencil to put some of the solder paste on there, which is the conductive material, and then place the part on there using magnifying glasses, and then put it in an oven, which would heat it to make that connection work. On the software side, there were a few challenges. Integrating was the biggest challenge towards the end because we had all this code that was working individually, but like combining it into one thing is like a whole different challenge. You could almost like restart your entire code from scratch to do that. So, which is actually what ended up happening somewhat. We had to switch to that. That took maybe like 20 hours to like take the polling code and switch it all over to interrupts. We learned that you have to really manage your project as you go. So like at the beginning, we had set up tasks and everything, but as we were going, like some of us gained different skills at internships and in class, so we had to reassign tasks. We learned that like making sure that you meet every week is very important to make sure that what's supposed to be happening is actually happening. If someone needs help with something and someone can help them out, that's a key thing that you need to keep track of. So if you're meeting every week, we can see the progress that's happening or the lack of progress. In terms of product development, you have to keep your user in mind from the beginning, so it has to be user-based. So that was something that we had to do in the later part of the project when we were thinking about how to design the graphical user interface. We were thinking about what's going to be easy for the user and things like that.